Hi friends, in this video we are going to solve problem on power equations. Right, next question on power equations. On power equations, we already saw rotor input is equals to P2, rotor copper losses is equals to S into P2, rotor output is equals to PM is equals to 1 minus S into P2, rotor efficiency 1 minus S or NR by NS, slip at maximum power R2 by square root of R2 square plus X2 square plus R2. Rotor speed at maximum power is equals to Ns into 1 minus slip at maximum power. These are the formula in power equation. For example, do one question. What is question? What is question? For example, a 3-phase 50 Hz 6-pole induction motor rotating at 10% of slip with rotor input 1000 watts. Alright? Now they are asking first one, rotor copper losses. Tell me what is answer? Rotor copper losses is equals to S into P2. What is S? 10% of 1000. What is answer? 100 watts. 100 watts is the rotor copper losses. Next question, what is rotor output? Rotor output is equals to rotor input minus losses is equals to rotor output. Next question, rotor efficiency. Rotor efficiency is equals to 1 minus S, nothing but 1 minus 10%, nothing but 90%. Rotor efficiency. And next one, what is machine efficiency? Machine efficiency less than 90%. Machine efficiency less than 90%. And next one, what is the ratio between rotor output is to rotor copper losses is to rotor input? Tell me what is the ratio? Don't remember blindly 1 yes, 1 minus S. They may ask in any way. Yes or no? Yes, rotor output. What is rotor output? The rotor output is 1 minus S. Rotor copper losses is S. Rotor input is 1. So 1 minus 10%. 10% nothing but 0.1. 1 minus 0.1, 0.9 is to 0.1 is to 1. If multiplied by 10, 9 is to 1 is to 10. If multiplied by 100, 900 is to 100 is to 1000. They may be option A or option B or option C. Any of the above is the correct answer. Okay, be careful. And already we know my rotor output is 900. My rotor copper losses are 100. My rotor input given 1000. Is the same. So what is the question? Based on that you have to take the ratio. Don't remember simply 1 yes, 1 minus S. They may ask in any way. This is the question on power equations. For this statement, I given you 5 problems. Right? Next one, based on this is also very important. Based on this, we have to go. Right? Take a next question. Okay? It's completed. What is next question? For example, a 3-phase 50 Hz 6-pole induction machine. 6-pole induction machine. My rotor resistance 3 ohms and rotor reactance 4 ohms. Rotor resistance 3 ohms, rotor reactance 4 ohms. Then first one, find out slip at maximum power. First question. Tell me what is slip at maximum power? The slip at maximum power is equals to R2 by square root of R2 square plus X2 square plus R2. This is the formula you people know already. Tell me, what is answer? R2 nothing but 3 divided by square root of 3 square plus 4 square. 3 square plus 4 square plus 3. So what is answer finally? 3 divided by 5 plus 3. 3 divided by 5 plus 3 is answer 3 divided by 8. This is the slip at maximum power. Okay, good. Slip at maximum power they given. The second question, find out the load resistance at maximum power. Load resistance at maximum power. What is answer? RL is equals to R2 into 1 by S minus 1. Is the simple answer. But they are asking load resistance at maximum power. We have to take slip at maximum power. Okay? Tell me what is answer? Actually rotor resistance 3 ohms. Actually slip value 3 by 8 ohms minus 1. So tell me what is answer? My load resistance at maximum power is equals to 3 into 8 by 3 minus 1. 3 into 8 by 3 minus 1. Can you tell me what is answer finally? 3 into 5 by 3 is 5 ohms. Yes or no? LCM 3. 8 minus 3, 5. 8 minus 3, 5. 5 ohms. This is the load resistance at maximum power. Right? Load resistance at maximum power and slip at maximum power. And next question, they are asking the rotor speed at maximum power. Rotor speed at maximum power. Tell me what is the answer? Rotor speed at maximum power. We know that Ns into 1 minus S. What is Ns for 50 Hz 6 pole? For 50 Hz 6 pole, my Ns is 1000 RPM. Okay? And 1 minus slip. What is slip at maximum power? 3 by 8. So tell me what is the answer? 1000 by 8 into 5. Yes or no? 1000 by 8 into 5. 1000 by 8 into 5. 8 minus 3, 5. 8 minus 3, 5. So what is answer? Actually this value 125 into 5. What is answer? 625 RPM. 8 ones are 8 125 sir. So what is answer? My rotor speed at maximum power is equals to 625 RPM. Just slip at maximum power 3 by 8. Just I substituted here. The everything is same. This is the question on power equations. Actually, now I am covering just IES questions, and some ISRO, DRDO, BHEL, and BARC. In those questions, they are asking simple questions. And after completion of this total concepts, and another Professor Surendra sir will come to explain all previous gate questions. All previous gate questions explained by Professor Surendra sir. After completion of our total syllabus, and finally you can find the total gate problems, the total previous gate problems, all here. Total previous gate problems should be there. Okay, just now I covered the previous all competitive exams questions models. Without calci, we can done. Without calci, not only without calci, without pen, we can done the questions. In any competitive exam, even though gate also, the questions are very simple. You can see at completion of our topics, you can find those previous gate questions by the Professor Surendra sir. Okay, now this is the questions for power equations. These are the questions for power equations. So I done problems for speed equations and power equations. Up to now we completed up to power equations. Up to we completed now power equations, right? These are the questions on that.